If you are in your first semester of B.Pharm and feeling like you haven't studied a thing yet, don't worry. You are not alone, and you still have time to turn things around. Today, I'll share a foolproof strategy to help you study effectively and score well in your exams. Not all subjects and chapters carry the same weight. Focus on high-yield topics first. In Pharmaceutical Chemistry, cover bonding, periodic table trends, and basic reaction mechanisms. For Pharmaceutics, focus on dosage forms, calculations, and basic preparation techniques. In Human Anatomy Physiology, concentrate on systems like cardiovascular, nervous, and basics of cells tissues. In Human Anatomy, diagrams make a huge difference. Practice drawing and labeling organs, systems, and structures. Understanding where everything fits and how different parts relate to each other visually will help you score better. It's often easier to remember and explain your answer with a well-drawn diagram. So, practice them regularly. Use the syllabus as a checklist and mark topics covered in class. Now, let's create a realistic weekly schedule. On day 1 to 2, study 1 to 2 subjects with focus. Day 3 should be for revising what you've studied. On day 4 to 5, study other subjects. Day 6 is for mock tests and previous papers, and day 7 should be full revision. Aim to allocate 2 to 3 hours daily with breaks. If you are juggling other commitments, even 1 to 2 hours of focused study can make a difference. Let's talk about effective study techniques. Use active recall instead of rereading, quiz yourself or write key points from memory. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. Mind maps can help summarize interconnected topics, like organ systems or drug classes. Write short notes for last-minute revision. There are helpful resources out there, like YouTube channels, short guides, or mobile apps like Quizlet or Anki for flashcards. Now, let's emphasize the importance of solving previous year questions. Many questions are repeated or are conceptually similar. Break down a question, identify keywords, and write concise answers. Addressing procrastination is crucial. Even if you can't follow the plan perfectly, doing a little every day is better than cramming everything at the end. Consider group studies or forming a study partner system. Remember, your hard work will unlock opportunities in future semesters and careers. It's also important to manage stress and balance your studies with rest, sleep, and healthy habits. Meditation or light exercise can keep your mind fresh. Semester 1 is tough because it's new, but you'll get the hang of it with time. If you've made it this far, you are already taking the first step towards success. Remember, it's not about how late you start but how consistent you are now. Share your struggles or doubts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.